The Iranian Foreign Minister Hossein Amir-Abdollahian said on Friday that Iran will respond to an immediate and maximum level if Israel acts against its interests. Amir-Abdollahian said, speaking through an interpreter, if Israel wants to do another adventurism and act against the interests of Iran, our next response will be immediate and will be at the maximum level. His comments follow reports of an Israeli strike on Iran early Friday. Additionally, the Iranian foreign minister said that Tehran was investigating the overnight attack on the country, adding that so far a link to Israel had not been proven, as he downplayed the strike. He added that Iran was investigating the matter but that media reports were not accurate. Amir-Abdollahian said that the drones reportedly fired by Israel at the Iranian city of Isfahan did not cause any damage or casualties. Iranian media and officials described a small number of explosions which they said resulted from air defenses hitting 3 drones over Isfahan in central Iran in the early hours of Friday. They referred to the incident as an attack by infiltrators rather than by Israel, obviating the need for retaliation. Amir-Abdollahian warned that if Israel retaliated and acted against the interests of Iran, Tehran's next response would be immediate and at the maximum level. Meanwhile, several people were wounded in a bombing overnight Friday on an Iraqi military base housing pro-Iranian paramilitaries, 2 security sources said. The explosion hit the Kalso base, where former pro-Iranian paramilitary group Hashid al-Shabi, now integrated into the regular army, are stationed. The Ministry of Interior officials said that the attack had killed 1 person and wounded 8 others, while the military source reported 3 Iraqi military personnel had been wounded. There was no immediate claim of responsibility for the attack.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.